Well, been making a ton of progress lately on the Cavalier. Just about got everything pulled, disconnected out of the way to pull the engine and trans here soon, so I can start rebuilding both of them to throw in the Sunfire. If anybody needs any parts like an ABS module or anything like that, hit me up. I'm selling all that stuff because I don't need it because the Sunfire doesn't have ABS. Still got all the stuff that I pulled off that I don't need. Don't need the headlights. Don't need the bumper. And it's in pretty good shape too. Or if you need a main engine harness, hit me up because I took that off. All the connectors are good on it. I didn't cut any connectors on it. So if you need one of those, let me know. But definitely been making some really good progress.